What is chondromalacia patella? It is when the cartilage behind your kneecap or your patella becomes a bit thin, and it might be caused because of a short patellar ligament or short quadricep muscles that compresses your patella into your knee joint. So let's talk about how we got to correct that. Let's do this. All right, in order to tackle chondromalacia patella, you got to create mobility through your knee joint. And how we're going to do that is we're going to build strength as we elongate the muscle so we can go and create some mobility. Find yourself somewhere that you can hold on to tight. What you're going to do, you're going to really squeeze your butt to push the pelvis forward. And from here, you're going to elongate the knees, get as low as you need to create a nice bit of stretch. Bring your heels back and forth, back and forth. Once you start to gain some mobility, then try to touch your knee to the ground and be able to bring it back. What I found easier is when I hold this here down bottom. I think that's probably the best way to do this. It would probably help if you have some mobility sticks, but if you don't, you should feel a nice bit of stretch on the quadricep tendons, okay, or the quadricep muscles. All right, the higher that stretch is, the better. And the more you do this, you're going to create that nice mobility there. Okay, so good luck.